Just finished up at the produce farmers market. Boy, no puedo. Now we're going to Ikea. Gonna get some little small plates to eat. A lot of beautiful women there. I enjoyed my time. A lot of good produce, very cheap. A lot of hard to find produce as well. So worked out well for everybody. My girlfriend was able to find her hard to find chilies. Her hard to find tortillas. I was able to find my little sugar apple that is not as common as a fruit here, even though fruits are super ripe and super tasty, and there's a big culture for fruit here. So really happy with our little what do you call it when you end up shopping and looking at everything. We're real happy with everything we got. My girlfriend's holding her, what are those called, raspberries in her hand, super delicate. It was like 50 cents. So some of the more common fruits and vegetables you could get for stupid cheap here. Now we're headed into Mall Plaza. Gonna go eat at Ikea. There were a bunch of places we could eat at in that Plaza de Mercado, but just for the culture, so my girlfriend can experience kind of the memes and the lols of eating at Ikea, because, you know, a trip to Ikea isn't complete if you don't eat at the cafeteria. We're gonna go do that. Maybe we'll go look around all of Ikea too, just so she gets that full maze experience of Ikea. Maybe not, but definitely eat a couple hot dogs, little sausages or whatever they have, I forget. Oh, and it's right here, perfect. See, Ikea. This is Ikea in Colombia. So we did not get the meatballs. The meatballs are on the 3rd floor, but we got a little pan de queso, a little cinnamon roll, ice cream cone, okay, and a hot dog and fries. We'll be coming back for the meatballs. Definitely not the full experience without the meatballs, but now we know it's on the 3rd floor. Yeah, this is it. This is my hot dog. Okay, so we definitely went to just the dessert section, I guess, because this cafeteria is what I would recognize for Ikea food, but this is what it is. They've got little chocolate cake, and then obviously your classic meatballs. We're gonna get the meatballs. Vamos, bebé. ¿Cómo dije? Es algodonas suecas. Después aquí. Si quieres algo, avísame. Ensalada de frutas. Good. Sí. ¿Qué quieres tú? La menu. We got salmon.
bebidas gaseosas las puede comprar en la caja y las toma en la isla de bebidas. Buenas tardes.
Buenas.
¿Un plato de albóndigas fritas?
Sí.
Gracias.
Buenas tardes, bienvenido.
Buenas tardes. ¿Se puede pedir el de niños?
Sí, señora. El plato menú en niño.
¿Cómo?
Menú en niño.
Sí. Gracias.
Buen provecho.
Sí.
Buenas tardes.
So we ended up getting our meatballs, get the full experience. Me gusta las papas con la salsa aquí y aquí. Las dos. Pero provecho.
¿Eso es dulce?
Es dulce, sí. Yo pienso de salsa frambuesa. Una papa, ¿verdad? Papa puré y la salsa. Aldi. Eso algo más. A las 10. ¿Cuánto? 7, 8. 7, 8. Ocho.